So wait, before I say anything, so how do you feel?
I feel happy. Tuwang-tuwa ako pag dinidirect ako, Sir Heini, to be honest. Ano kasi magaling din kayo magbato ng ano. Magaling kasi yung director. Kaya,
Sige, I will just edit this part out.
no, no.
Hello there, welcome to a recording session for Pet Corner. It's their new ad, which is basically they'll you can take any kind of your pets, and if you do avail of their services, you can also purchase like 1 dirham tickets from their website or from their store. Here with me right now
Mm.
is Loveline Loveris. There it is.
Yes po.
She's one of my new voice talents in the roster. And the reason why I wanted her for a long time is because I just saw potential in her. That's why I wanted her to be part of my roster. Right now, she's in the Philippines. I wanted to do this, in person, so it's better. But I mean, remote recording is also great. Can you start from the first line all the way until normally I would ask like my talents to like record per line since I hear it anyways. But for practice, I would prefer if you start from the first line hanggang um, sa pet corner lang matatagpuan ang lahat ng kinakailangan ng iyong alaga. First line all the way till there. And then from there, we'll just take it per line. Let me hear what you got.
Sa pet corner, kung may-ari ka ng o ng o kaya at kahit sa pet corner lang matatagpuan ang lahat ng kinakailangan ng inyong alaga.
Okay naman ako dun
Okay
sa
po?
take na yun. I'm okay naman with that take. Can you make it sound like, sige, give me one more take. I want to hear it again so I can really
Okay po.
dissect that.
Sa pet corner, kung may-ari ka ng o ng o kaya at kahit sa pet corner lang matatagpuan ang lahat ng kinakailangan ng iyong alaga.
Okay. I mean, generally, that's how it is. I mean,
Yes.
that's more than acceptable. I don't want to say acceptable because it's like pasang awa. It's not. It's okay. Let's just add, no, no, let's add a little dynamics into how you said everything. It would always be nice to see the flow, to see the story behind the script, right? So you start, you start with, sa pet corner, kung may-ari ka ng, and then the sound effect that will greet you after the first line is a cat, right? And then
Yes.
after that, you're still happy. Onang dog barks. O kaya, and then bird. And then this other one at kahit because it's pretty weird to have a frog for a pet, right? 'Di ba? At
Okay
kahit,
po.
'di ba dapat may konting,
Kasi may
konting
frog na doon.
like a little bit odd. Sa pet corner, kung may kaari ka ng onang o kaya at kahit and then you say that last line.
Okay.
Kasi di ba when we do that, o kaya, because nobody talks like that in real life. Line, kung may ari ka ng pet, o kaya ng oki, stuff. I mean, it sounds a little, over-exaggerated lang.
Pwede mag-billboard, sir. Para makuha ko lang.
When you say billboard, you mean a lean in?
Yung sa simula lang. Alam mo
Oh,
ba,
sige.
Sir Heini,
Oh,
sa
yeah.
pet
So,
corner?
so yun. So yun yung tawag nyo, billboard. Okay. Everywhere else is called a lean in.
Yeah po.
Ayun. Sige. Oh, sure, go ahead. Oh, if it helps. Actually, it really helps to have that kasi it breaks the mindset eh. Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Para ini-imagine ko nakausap ko kayo. Okay po. Sige. Uy, Sir Heini, alam mo ba, sa pet corner, kung may-ari ka ng o ng o kaya at kahit sa pet corner lang matatagpuan ang lahat ng kinakailangan ng iyong alaga.
All right, I'm okay with that. Can you just give me different takes of at kahit so I can just play around? Drop your tone. Doon na lang tayo. We'll pick up from at kahit. I'll just pick it up from there. So yun. At kahit, give me different, play around that you're disgusted or nabuwirdohan ka.
At kahit, at kahit, at kahit. At kahit, at, at kahit, at kahit,
And I found it. In the second set, the first take there. Kasi it breaks character eh. Everything else is ano eh, mid to high. 'Di ba? So
yes,
everything is o nang, o kaya, at kahit, 'di ba? It's supposed to be,
at
a different, dapat, at kahit,
kahit.
baba dapat. I mean, that's how I see it Para lang magkonting lang, may konting variation lang in the delivery.
Yes po.
Okay, so everything else from here is basically just announcer. So, sige, we'll do it by line. Sige. You can pick up from maging pagkain. Again, just sound natural to sound conversational, huh?
Maging pagkain, laruan, treats, o vet care, siguradong mapapasaya namin sila.
Okay, can you do it this way? Like, maging pagkain, laruan, treats, o vet care, siguradong mapapasaya namin sila. Try to, I get that style kasi maging pagkain, it's very segmented eh. So, I want you to sound like maging pagkain, laruan, treats, o vet care. Try to string it together. Parang dugtong-dugtong siya kasi nga conversational, 'di ba? So, you need to sound a little conversational.
Maging pagkain, laruan, treats, o vet care, siguradong mapapasaya namin sila. Maging
Sounds
pagkain, laruan, treats, o vet care, siguradong mapapasaya namin sila.
that's what I want. There you go. Okay, I'm good with those two last takes. Sige, you can move on to the next line. Ito, again, it's the same principle. It's the same principle. So, since the first word here is at, 'di ba? So it's kind of ano, 'di ba? But it's like kind of it needs to connect to your last word from the previous paragraph.
Yes po.
'Di ba? Namin sila. At kapag, so it's kind of dito like literally physically you're gonna lean in, 'di ba? At kapag bumili ka online, it's like chika, Parang at alam mo ba, So I want you to sound like,
Okay po.
there's more to it than what I just said. Ganon.
At kapag bumili ka online, pwede ka bumili rin ng 1 dirham ticket sa amusement parks and attractions. Oo, 1 dirham tickets.
Okay, I'm good with that. Can you give me more excitement lang? And then I want you to level it up some more. At kapag bumili ka online, like hot news, hot
Okay.
gossip.
At kapag bumili ka online, pwede ka bumili rin ng 1 dirham ticket sa amusement parks and attractions. Oo, 1 dirham tickets.
The energy is there, kaya lang it sounded announcery naman. 'Di ba?
Oh,
Pwede naman kasi like, at kapag bumili ka at kapag bumili ka online, pwede ka bumili rin ng 1 dirham tickets sa amusement parks and attractions. You can still invoke excitement kahit low level eh. It doesn't necessarily mean pag excited, up. Right?
mataas.
You can show eagerness
Okay.
like gigil. Give me more oomph in there.
At kapag bumili ka online, pwede ka rin bumili ng 1 ticket sa amusement parks and attractions. Oo, 1 dirham tickets.
Oh, I like that. You just forgot the 1 dirham dun sa first part. But yeah, do it again. I like that one. Do that.
At kapag bumili ka online, pwede ka bumili rin ng 1 dirham tickets sa amusement parks and attractions. Oo, 1 dirham tickets.
Okay, I'm okay with that. If you can just give me a safety, I'm okay with that na. Actually, I'm not okay. I'm great with that.
At kapag bumili ka online, pwede ka bumili rin ng 1 dirham ticket sa amusement parks and attractions. Oo, 1 dirham tickets.
Okay na tayo dyan. Then go to the last line. So ito just your usual announcer part.
Kaya punta na sa Pet Corner o sa petcornerdubai.com. Kaya punta na sa Pet Corner o sa petcornerdubai.com. Kaya punta na sa Pet Corner o sa petcornerdubai.com.
Just sound very inviting. Kaya punta na sa Pet Corner o sa petcornerdubai.com.
Kaya punta na sa Pet Corner o sa petcornerdubai.com. Kaya punta na sa Pet Corner o sa petcornerdubai.com.
Okay. We're good. Okay na ako dyan.
Sa Pet Corner, kung may-ari ka ng o kaya at kahit Sa Pet Corner lang matatagpuan ang lahat ng kinakailangan ng iyong alaga. Maging pagkain, laruan, treats o vet care, siguradong mapapasaya namin sila. At kapag bumili ka online, pwede ka bumili rin ng 1 dirham ticket sa amusement parks and attractions. Oo, 1 dirham tickets! Kaya punta na sa Pet Corner o sa petcornerdubai.com.
Pet Corner, your family pet store.